Shorty said she coming with a bag, with a plan, with a young, coming with a bag, with a plan, with a young, coming with a bag, with a plan, with a young, coming with a bag, with a Shorty said she coming with a.
Hello mga kaibo, nangita ba ka mo og gwapo, barato, og quality nga sakyanan? PM na mo sa among FB page, Ibo Jaw Autoworks. Basta Ibo, sigurado gayong mahimo. So karon mga kaibo, naami sample nga semi-loaded setup nga unit. Mao ni ang DA64V 4x4 automatic transmission. So inig-abli nato, makita dayon nato ang nindot kayo nga lingkuranan. Naka-leather seat, bag-o ang pintal, tinted ang windshield, bag-ong oil og filter, fully air-conditioned, new matting, new ceiling, and new battery. Naapod tay 7 inches touchscreen stereo with reverse camera and front camera. And sa atong exterior naman, naatay brand new mags and tire R13, rain visor, free jack and tire wrench, roof rack, stepboard, steering wheel cover, and sticker. Unya naapod tay mga pa-freebies mga kaibo, double-headed fan, fender flare, and plate number holder. And last but not the least, free registration 1 year to direct owner's name. For more inquiries, please visit our FB page, Ibo Jaw Autoworks. Basta Ibo, sigurado gayong mahimo.